Cryptogirl, and I've got Danny and Dan on the line, and we were doing a quick review of Crypto Beast. It just launched by Glynn Kosky on Warrior Plus, and it is a suite. It is a suite where you're going to not only learn what exchanges to go ahead and sign up for to buy and sell and trade crypto, how you can learn and earn, and what places you can learn and earn free crypto from. You're going to learn how to integrate this system into your autoresponder. So therefore, when you have a crypto crew or leads coming in, you can actually use this as somewhat of a squeeze page so that you can get new leads and you can communicate with your leads this way also. And there is ways to make little banners and ads and infiltrate your affiliate links in there, and much, much more. So I also have created a 5-day little mini workshop on Skype. It's a link in the bonus field of your Warrior Plus purchase. So when you get it using one of our links, and you will be able to go into Warrior Plus, your past purchases, and it'll say bonus, and the Skype group is there. And you can see on the right-hand side of my screen that you see some of the videos that I just finished where it goes over the members area, how to log in, even down to what email address your login and your password credentials are coming from. So these will stay in the group for 30 days, the recordings, and we'll be going live 6 to 6:30. Monday through Friday this week, and we're in week number 18 of 2022. So hopefully you get to join us, and we love and appreciate you guys, and we're here to help. It's a very exciting adventure. It's a crucial time, especially with the potential digital dollar coming on May 20th of 2022. So look forward to helping you, and we will see you soon. Click the link below.